Since matagal na rin po ako sa kanila, lahat naman po sila, lahat mabait, and they care for all their employees. Sila po yung tipo ng bossing na kilala lahat ng tao nila. From trabaho hanggang personal life, alam nila lahat. So, sa kanila pwede mo ikwento lahat. Pwede ka po makipagkwentuhan na walang takot. Sila po yung tipo ng boss na madaling lapitan.
Tayo po ngayon ay nagbabalik dito sa Laguna, Laguna. Tunay nga naman talagang lumalago na ang Poquito Mas.
Well, actually, we have recently signed a contract with Westgate in Alabang, the Philinvest Group. We will have a second branch na. Business, as we were taught in AIM, is 50% gut feel and 50% knowledge. So, if you have an idea na you think will do well, pag-aralan mo pa rin because sometimes magaling nga yung idea mo pero yung location mo hindi ka mapuntahan ng tao, ganon. You have to position yourself where your concept is needed. Also, nakaka-nervyos, yes, nakakatakot. But if you do things correctly at pinag-aralan mo na and you know that, and you really believe in your concept, it will succeed.
Bloom where you are. Your attitude and your potent skills will determine your success. Make the best of what you have.
Tulad ng isang ibon, tao ay lumilipad. Pangarap ang tanging nais na marating at matupad.
Well, I'd like to invite everybody to come to Poquito Mas. We are now open for breakfast from 7:30 to 10 a.m. and then our regular menu will be available from 10 a.m. till closing. We have a trio every Friday night, the Los Pandangueños. They're very good. We also cater. We have catered as far into Manila as Alabang, and in Laguna we've catered in Cabuyao already. And we also have in-house function rooms for small meetings and gatherings.
Natunghayan po natin ang kwento ng pagsisimula at kung nasa na po ngayon ang Poquito Mas. Kayo po dyan who would like to share your business success stories, please call us sa mga numbers na naka-flash dito sa screen. And let us know your struggles, your perseverance, and your triumphs. Ito po si Marian Rodrigo, ang inyong makakasama sa paglago ng inyong mga negosyo dito sa Laguna, Laguna.
Tulad ng isang ibon, tao ay lumilipad. Pangarap ang tanging nais na marating